Hi.
Hi, I'm Danielle.
Patrick. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Have a seat.
Oh, thank you.
So today we're gonna do a little bit of nutrition counseling. I'm just gonna need your height
5'9",
and your weight.
190 pounds last time I checked.
Okay. And what brings you in here today?
Just to get some diet tips, trying to lose like 15, maybe 20 pounds.
Okay.
Just, tighten up my diet a little bit.
Yeah.
See what we can
Okay, great. So we're gonna start with a 24-hour recall so that we can see what a day looks like for you, and then kind of find some areas that we can work on.
do. Okay.
Was yesterday a typical day for
It
you?
was pretty typical. Yeah.
Okay, great. All right. So what was the first thing that you ate yesterday?
My first meal I had at like 7:30 in the morning, breakfast.
Mhm.
I had a sesame bagel.
Okay.
And a cup of coffee.
Okay. And how big was your bagel?
It was like a normal sized bagel.
Okay. And did you have anything on your bagel?
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese. How much cream cheese?
Um,
I have these measurements right here. If you could-
okay. I'd probably say like two tablespoons.
Okay.
Yeah, two
Okay.
tablespoons.
All right. And how do you drink your coffee?
Cream and sugar.
And sugar? How many?
Probably about 2 tablespoons of cream and 2 teaspoons of sugar.
Okay. And what kind of cream do you drink?
Just regular, like
No milk or anything?
no milk. Yeah, it's all cream.
Okay. All right. What was the next thing you ate?
I had a snack at like 10:30. I had a cup of orange juice and some pretzels.
Okay. And using this, how many ounces would you say it was?
Probably about 12 ounces, I think.
12 ounces?
Yeah.
Okay. And how many pretzels would you say?
It was like one of those snack bags. So maybe like 10, 15 pretzels, something like that.
Okay. Okay, great. Anything else with your snack?
That was it for snack.
What was the next thing you ate?
I had lunch at like 12:30,
Okay.
and I went out to Chipotle for lunch. Super busy, and I got a bean and cheese burrito. And I got some tortilla chips with salsa and guac, and a cup of lemonade.
Okay, so you had tortilla chips.
Mhm.
How many would you say, roughly?
Probably about like 10 to 15, like 12 maybe.
Okay. And salsa and guac, how much would you say?
Maybe like a quarter cup both.
Okay.
Yeah, I'd say quarter cup.
What was the next thing you ate?
Let's see. I had a snack at about 1:30, and I had a chewy granola bar and some trail mix, and also some water.
Okay. I'm just going to bring it back. I forgot to ask you how much lemonade you had.
Oh, I'd say it was probably like the same size as the orange juice, 12 ounces.
Okay. Great. So you had a chewy granola bar and some trail mix and some water. How much trail mix would you say?
Probably like, I don't know, maybe like an ounce of trail mix.
Okay. Okay, great. What did you have in your trail mix?
It was a nut based trail mix,
Okay.
and it had some M&Ms in it.
Okay, great. And then you had some water?
Mhm.
How much water?
Maybe like 2 cups.
2 cups? Okay. Great.
After that, I had dinner, probably at like 5:30, 6 o'clock. I had a pork chop and some corn on the cob, and some mashed potatoes and a glass of milk.
So how big was your pork chop?
Probably like this big maybe.
Okay. So you'd say about 4 ounces.
Yeah, I'd say it's probably a pretty safe estimate.
Okay. And did you just have one ear of corn?
Mm-hmm. Yep, 1 whole ear corn.
Did you eat anything on that? Any
Butter.
butter?
Yep.
About how much butter?
Probably about a teaspoon.
Okay. And how much mashed potatoes?
Maybe a cup.
A cup?
Yeah.
And so you had pork chop, corn on the cob, mashed potatoes, butter, and some milk.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of milk did you drink?
2%.
2%? Okay. And about how much? How much?
12 ounces again, I'd say.
Yeah? Okay. Alright.
And then I also had some ice cream for dessert.
Ice cream? Okay. What time was that?
It was right after dinner, so probably at like 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock? Okay. And how much ice cream did you have?
A cup.
Okay.
And it was light ice cream.
Okay. Alright, is that everything?
That was it.
Okay. So now I'm going to go through a food frequency checklist, which is just going to let me have a bigger picture of what you usually eat because we only took 1 day. Okay? So typically what type of milk do you drink?
2%.
2%? Okay, and I saw that you had corn and mashed potatoes. Do you usually have any other types of vegetables?
It's usually like corn and potatoes. That's pretty normal. Yeah.
And for fruits, is it typically a juice?
It's usually juices.
Juice.
Yeah.
And what do you usually have for snacks?
Let's see. Usually like stuff like ice cream and treats and sweets and stuff like that.